How to send emails on Hubspot. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're looking to send emails on Hubspot, whether it be to individuals or if you want to send your emails in bulk, you can easily do that on Hubspot, and it's a few simple and easy steps. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your HubSpot dashboard. Now, once you are in your dashboard, make sure to go into contacts and then go into contacts over here. Now, it's very essential that whenever you have created, your HubSpot account, that you add some contacts before you start sending emails. So we're going to log on to our account over here to begin our process of sending mail. We're just going to log into our account over here. And once you log into your HubSpot dashboard, you guys will see I have just a couple of sample contacts added. You can click on create new contact, and I'll just build a couple of different contacts over here. So I can send some emails to my contact. So like this, I'll just build this sample contact. And once you have a couple of contacts in there, it can be a bit difficult to navigate through multiple different tickets or to navigate through larger segmentations of your market, whether it be ticketing, whether it may be you're sending cold emails, it might be anything. So having the feature of bulk emails is pretty important, and you can go into the marketing section over here and then click on email to get access to HubSpot emails. Now, once you do, you will be able to see you can get set up with your marketing email tools. So you have your contact out list as well as first emails. And you can also integrate third-party email marketing tools such as MailChimp into HubSpot as well. Now, as you guys can see on the top, you have a email tool section where you can create a list of hand-bound contacts, add hard-bound contacts to exiting list. You can have multiple different lists or segmentations created. Now, I'm going to start building our email, and you will see you have three basic types of emails. You have a regular email, you have an automatic email, and then you have a blog email, which can help you publish your content once your email has been sent. Now we're going to build our regular email, and then we're going to start sending that in bulk. So once you create your regular email template, you guys will see it's going to give you, multiple different options. Some of these are, locked, and you do have to upgrade to a premium plan on HubSpot. However, all of these are available for free as well. So if you're looking for a free tool to get started with, you have a few options in HubSpot. And let's just say we want to send a promotional email like this one. You have an e-commerce welcome email, you have a new product launch email, you have an e-commerce re-engagement email. So you can open up any of these email templates and you can edit the name from the top over here like this. So we have new product like this. Now, to get started with editing each individual section, just click on the section that you want to edit on the top left, and then you can replace each individual item. So we're going to replace the logo over here and upload our logo, and we can click on browse folders, and we can go on ahead and take a look at the pre-existing images. If you don't have any pre-existing images over here, you can go on ahead and upload your own as well. Now, if you don't have a logo, you can also just remove the logo section and add text instead. So if you don't want this, you can just click on this, click on delete, and this will expand this section over here. So let's say in our email, we want to not have the top section, and then I want to edit the toolbar to the freshest summer styles are here, like this. And then below that we have our image section, so we have this image added over here, and you can also choose to link a particular link. So your sales page can be linked in the left panel over here. You can insert the link of your product over here, and then let's say I want to replace the image, so we can go on ahead and verify our account like this. We're just gonna go on ahead and add this, and we can link our Shopify store over here as well to make it easier for us to access all our data from Shopify as well. So we can create our opt-in forms on Shopify, and we're just going to submit all of this like this. Now, once you have added all of your information within your email template, you will see on your left panel, you have your content section and your layout, so you can add more content. And then you have your design section. So in your design section, you have the background color of your template like this. So if you want to edit that, you can do that. And then you also have your body color. So this section over here is going to be your body color. You also have borders if you want to add plain text in the full width mode instead, you can do that, as well as your button colors, text styles, and dividers. Now, once you do that, on the top you have your settings section. So in your email settings, you're going to see the name that is going to be used whenever the email is sent. Then you have your email address. Then you have your subject line, which you can just generate over here, and the AI is going to generate a subject line for you, or you can personalize and create your own subject lines as well. You can insert the email name, language, and marketing or subscription information as well. Now, next up you have your send or schedule. Now, from here, we can get started with sending to upwards of 2,000 individuals. So as you guys can see, I can select, multiple different people, 3 out of 3. And then you can also choose to exclude certain contacts. So certain contacts that should not be receiving this email. And you can really add as many as you want. If you have imported a list of contacts, you can select all of those. If you've built a specific segment, you can send your email to all of those people. And then we are just going to don't send to unengaged customers. Let's say I still want to send to unengaged customers. And then you have 2 sending options if you want to schedule this for later or if you want to send now. Now, once you have set that up, you also have some automation tools, and we are just going to continue on over here. But once we have completed this, we can go on ahead and click on actions. We can preview what it's going to look like. So what it's going to look like for this particular client or for this particular person. And then we can start sending our emails. So you can also create a A/B test to make sure that your emails have the best efficiency possible. And once you have completed that, you can also save this as a template. And that is how you can send bulk emails in HubSpot. It's rather simple and easy. Plus, you can also integrate multiple different features into this. You have just basic mail, but if you want, you can actually integrate more tools into HubSpot. So you guys can see they have currently also integrated AI, and you can also build some workflow sequences with HubSpot. So as you guys can see, instead of just sending your email once, you can just build an automation that will automatically send your emails in bulk, and you can schedule your emails ahead of time to make it easier for you to access, all of your product launches and build efficient goals and milestones for your business. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, check out our other videos on email marketing and how you can do automation with MailChimp as well. Because if you're looking to automate HubSpot, I do think after a certain time, it's very essential that you upgrade to MailChimp. So you can go into your app marketplace on HubSpot and you can take a look at any other tool, whichever one you want. I like to use MailChimp because it's easily integratable, but this can be a super helpful tool if you're looking to, send out primary emails. If you have a lot of email marketing that needs to be done, you do have to eventually upgrade from HubSpot's native email marketing tools to certain more professional tools. So make sure to check that out as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.